Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? Welcome to another video. So guys, in today's video, this is not video as usual. This is like my first official crochet video, like if you understand what I mean. So by the title of the video, you already know I'm going to be showing you guys everything I made in October. So in my last video, I told you guys I'm going to do a try-on haul of everything I made in October, but on a second thought, I remember that in the videos I made in October, I realized that I've hauled some of those projects to you guys in some of my vlogs. If you go to my channel, you're going to see me hauling some of those videos. So I decided that there is no need hauling them. Rather, I'm just going to show you as many as I made in October, so you can see all the projects I made in October and also the work in progress. I'm going to show you the work in progress, the ones I'm still making before the end of October. So if this is what you would like to watch, if you want to see what I've been able to make in October, if you want to see those cute projects, stick around to the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed, turn on your post notification, give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a constructive comment, because it helps me and it gives me the motivation to bring out videos like this. So the first one on the list is the top I made. I hauled this top in my last vlog. That vlog should either go up before this video, or I don't know, but that vlog ought to go up before this video. So this is the top. You guys look at the top, this particular one. So I'm just going to insert a picture I took with this top by this side here, so you see what it looks like on me. So this top I made it without a pattern. It's just my pattern, like I just decided to make it like the pattern is my pattern. So I cannot really say I'm not giving anybody credit but myself, because this pattern is developed by me. So please don't mind this stay end. I've not weaved it in. If you're a crocheter, you know that this is weaving in is job, but we're going to do it. I'm going to do it later. So this is what the top looks like. So, and after that, the second one I made is this bag. You guys look at this bag. I made this bag. The pattern of this bag, I got it from one crocheter on YouTube, but I actually made it my own. Like when she made her own, she didn't put this pom-pom. This pom-pom was not in her own. She just added like a button. But me, I added pom-pom to my own. So I would actually say I recreated this according to my own pattern by putting my own pom-pom. So, and then this market bag. This market bag is also a pattern I got from YouTube as well. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to insert pictures for you guys here. So as I'm showing you guys, you now know what it looks like. And in the comment section, you can actually tell me if this is a lot for someone to crochet in a month, or am I just being extra. So just see what this looks like. I love this bag. If I'm going to the market now, like a shopping mall, I don't need all those fancy walkie-talkie. I just bring it along and everything enters. It stretches so well. So guys, I used my leftover yarn, and then I made a bucket hat. I made this cute bucket hat. So this is one of them. This is like the fourth thing I made this month. The fourth one, this bucket hat. And the fifth one, I made a beanie. This is the fifth one. Guys, look at how cute these things are. This is the fifth one for this month of October. I made scrunchies, like to wrap your hair. If you want to pack your hair, you can use them to pack your hair. I made scrunchies this month. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6 things I made. I made this headband. You guys, look at that detail. I made this headband. I used half double crochet. If you're a crocheter, you know what half double crochet is. I used half double crochet for the headband. I also made this other design of headband. Guys, look at that detail. This is not your conventional single crochet, half double crochet, a double crochet. No, this is not your conventional design. This is like, it's like a design that, what do they even call it? Lemon peel, something like that, or the reverse lemon peel design. That's what I use for this headband. Can use it on my hair if I feel like. So this is, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the 8th thing I made this month. And then coming to the 9th, this is my design as well. Like, you guys, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I now have something I can actually say, this pattern belongs to me, that pattern belongs to me. I'm going to be inserting pictures of all these things I made, either wearing them or just taking pictures of them. This is one of the cutie. Like, this is a bralette. I'll call it a top, a bralette and a top. Like, you can rock it like a top and a bralette. But if you're modest like us, we don't show too much skin, you can actually wear it on top a white long sleeve, round neck, something like that. So this is my pattern. Like, I can boldly say this pattern belongs to me. So if you see it somewhere else, just know it's my pattern. So the detail of this clothes, this bralette top, I had to crochet a button. You guys, look at, this is a button. Like, I crocheted this button. It's not like a plastic button. I crocheted each and every one of them, and we have 4 buttons here, and I used single crochet stitches because I feel like single crochet stitches is firmer for someone like me that is a little bit, I'm not slim, I'm just in the middle, so I needed something that is firm for me. And you guys, look at the back. I did see what the back looks like. So you can see this is the sleeve, and then see the back. So it's not tied. You don't have to tie it. You just wear it and button up at the front and you're good to go. So I'm going to leave a picture of it here. So this is the 9th thing I made, and then I'm going to show you guys my work in progress. I'm going to show you guys what I'm still making right now, and I started it this night before I came to film this video, and I'm sure I should be finishing it this night or tomorrow morning. That is if I don't feel too much sleep, because I am way too sleepy. But if I'm not able to finish this night, it's going to be tomorrow. So I'm going to show you the only work in progress I have right now. This is a bandana. I think I'm going to make this in different cute colors. Like, I'm going to make this in different colors because I love bandanas a lot. I tie my hair most of the time, and sometimes when I make hair, I don't know how the tying is always an issue. Maybe you're doing something, your hair will just be flying around, and maybe just intervening with your face. So you can just use this to tie your hair, something like this. Tie, and you're good to go. So this is what this bandana is for. So I'm going to finish it this night. I started this night and I'm almost done. I'm just finishing with the cord and we call it a day. So this is the only work in progress I have right now. So guys, you've seen it all. This is the monthly recap. This is my monthly recap because I know in the past days of this month, I know I've either shown you guys one of these projects on Instagram or on TikTok. I'm going to leave my handles for you guys on the screen, on Instagram or on TikTok for you. So most of you have engaged with some of these projects I showed you guys. So this is a monthly recap of everything joined together. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a constructive comment, tell me what you like, and tell me if I made too much things for this month. So I'm going to see you in the next one. So stay blessed. Bye. Have a nice day.